Face yoga, easy, effective, highly beneficial exercise that will tone, brighten and bring natural glow to your face. Namaste, this is Mansi Gulati, your face yoga expert. We are going to do 5 face yoga poses for youthful, glowing skin. Let's start. Meditate your body. Close your eyes. Let's start with Om chant. Inhale. Om. Let's start with air puff pose. Fill your mouth with air and shift air right to left. Keep your finger here. Relax, release. A really good asana. It helps to strengthen your zygomatic major, minor, very good for increasing blood circulation, very good for activating your maxillary muscle too. Now let's do one more pose, which is also a beautiful pose, pout smile pose. Make a pout and smile as much you can. Relax. Good stretch. Now let's do small O and smile. Now we are going to give a beautiful stretch that will lift your facial fat up, help to increase blood circulation. Make a small O again. Relax, release. We'll do this again. Now we'll do balloon palming pose. make sure we are placing our finger only. Let's do this one more time. Fingers. Let's do. Fill your mouth with air. Let's do balloon smiling pose. Beautiful pose. Fill your mouth with air and smile as much you can. Now we'll do very simple massage. We'll start from forehead area. Place your finger like this and make a circle. Release. Eye. We can do this without oil also. Make a circle again. Down. Release. Amazing massage, relaxing face yoga, asanas. Hope you like it. Thank you.